we are on our settings tab. This is an overview of it. So we are in account settings right now. This page is just an overview of your settings of your account with Rent More Pro. So here it will show you your business information, your name, any parent companies, your URL, the email, your prefix, your phone number that you have on file, when your deliveries start, your refund policy, just any information basically, and your Metroplexes. There were a few times previously when I mentioned that you can choose a Metroplex, the area of an order or whatnot. This is where you can change this and you can edit it for your back end. So depending on your different locations, so Dallas, Fort Worth, or wherever you might be at, wherever you might be located, you can have an acronym for it and you can manage it. You can edit them. This is currently an active Metroplex that we have. And these are the store locations. And there we go. You can edit all of that. Wait, actually, you can edit this too. You can edit your store locations if you have multiple in the same Metroplex. And then you can edit it from here. You can change the location, the address. This one is currently closed. It's not available. And then this here, you can add the vehicles at the location. So any details for that location can be changed here. Your store hours, review link. You can manage your vehicles that you have and place any details, the model, the type, square footage, the status of the vehicle if it's still in use. But to show you an active location at the moment, or if it's an up and coming one that you're not too sure on all the details, you can keep it in your drafts. So let's say you have 3, you can add them up in here. Click the plus sign, add your address, the phone number, anything like that, and you can change its status like so. So that's for your management to make sure, just to organize where your orders are coming from, where they're going. Really helps you out. So that's any business information, any payments, so what you're using for payments at the moment, Stripe, Square, which we do have a few that we're working on getting, but for now that's what we have. The payment mode, if it's live, if you accept automatic payments, any details there. So this is your design. If you want to show your review section, show your FAQs, you can change this if you don't want it to be seen one day. If you want to completely remove it, you can change anything here about your hero section, your rental catalog, your web design, your logo image. You can change all of these icons. And here, if you do change anything here, you can update your settings. At the bottom, your pricing, so you can change this, your tax rate, your anything defaulted that you want to place here. So let's say if they live on the 3rd floor of an apartment, how much are you going to charge for that? You can automate that there. You can update settings if you do change anything later on. Social links. This is great so people can find you online. Your Yelp, your Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, YouTube. You can add anything. Alerts if you want them to be seen. If you want any alerts for hiring, your job section, activity alerts. So dispatch can update these settings of any alerts that you want to receive. Okay, so these useful links. So your phone system, if you click here, this is where the calls and the texts will go to, or what phone number your customer will receive a call or a message from. So you can select the user or add users as well. You can do that right here. You can put their phone number and their status. So let's say you don't want to be an active user anymore, you would edit yourself and put inactive, and you can place whoever you want to take over the phone calls or text messages or anything of that sort. And you would add them on here to the phone line. And these are the current people. We go back to settings, other footer links. You can add or create new links here. And these are your current active links that are shown for your just anything that you want to add, any link. Let's go to manage users. This is great. So as an owner, you will have complete control over the whole back end, but you will most likely add users, your employees, so that they can click that they've completed an order or whatnot. And you can manage the roles and what they are able to see, what they are not able to see. This is active. We can edit their role. We can change them to manager or crew or whatnot. You can add their department, the Metroplex they're located. If they're active, if they're no longer active, you can change that. And you can update any details here. And then this would be their password if you need to create the password again if they forget it. And here we'll show you a list of all your users for your back end and what they are able to see. If you click report, you can see, if you remember, the reports tab up here. It'll take you to that, and you can see everything that has to do with that employee. And here are basically all your users. So that is all for our account settings tab up here.